Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Suruchi and today I'm going to talk about what I got in my July bling bag. So let's get started. So for those who don't know about this bling bag, so bling bag is basically the monthly subscription bag. So they send you 4 to 5 pieces of jewelry. So for 1 month of subscription they will cost you around 1499, and they have the longer terms of a subscription like 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So they also have their boutique online. So if you like any pieces here, so you can go and buy that piece individually, so that's great. And I ordered my box cash on delivery, so you don't have to worry, and my box arrived in 2 days. I only took subscription for 1 month, so that's why when I ordered that, they delivered this bag to me in just 2 days. They basically have that style profile, you have to fill that. So they will ask you such questions like what type of jewelry do you wear, what kind of clothes do you wear, and what color do you like neon colors, pastel colors, black and white, what kind of jewelry do you like, pearls you like, or stones, crystal, that kind of questions they ask. So basically according to that they will send you the jewelry, so that's great. Let's talk about what I got in my bling bag. So this is the out of packaging of bling bag, and they have this thing like plasticky thing cover up, and I have my address and everything in here, like if you can see. And then after that they have this cardboard kind of box. Yes, so they have this cardboard kind of box, and they have written my name here, Suruchi D'Souza, July to, and this is basically my order number. And then we have our bling bag here like this. So they have this card, and this card basically says this month's of what about this month of theme, and this month's theme is geometric affair. And yeah, and then we have our bag right here. This is the bag. So guys, this is not an unboxing video. I have already seen my blings, so keep that in. So yes guys, this bag is completely looking cute. Can you see this bag? I really love the packaging of this bag, and this bag is really good quality. And this is like a holographic kind of bag, but I really love. So let's see what I got inside this bag. So basically I got 4 pieces of jewelry. So you have to choose what you wear most. So they asked me about what I wear. I wear rings, bracelets, or necklaces, earrings. So I choose earrings and necklace because I'm not big fan of wearing rings and bracelets. So if you love, you can do that, but I only prefer to wear necklace and earrings. So they send me 3 earrings and 1 necklace. So all my blings comes in this kind of mesh bags. This is really cute, and they have this thermocol balls inside. I really love this mesh bags. You can use this to store your jewelry or organize them. Really cute. Also there comes this kind of plastic wrapper kind of thing, and jewelry comes inside this. So let's talk about the blings. So first jewelry I got this kind of earrings. These are really good statement earrings. The only problem is with these are the stones. You can see the stones here in middle. They are different, not exactly different, but they have the faded color or something. I don't know if you can see. Otherwise the jewelry is really good. The quality of jewelry really nice, and these earrings retails for $8.99. And yeah, now I'm going to show you looks on me. So you can see how this is looking on me, and these are really gorgeous. You can wear this with your Indian outfits as well as your Western outfits, and I really love the pattern and design, and they are looking so stunning. And guys, these are not that heavy. You can wear this easily. I'm not feeling any uncomfortable wearing this, so that's great. So guys, next I got these kind of earrings, and these are really pretty long statement chandelier kind of earring. I really love these, and these are really good for golden or silver or copper, any kind of dress, because this has that colors. And yeah, now I'm going to show you how this looks on me. So guys, these are the earrings. This looks so pretty, and this is really comfortable to wear, not that heavy, and looks so amazing. This is my favorite piece. Really love it. This looks so nice on me. What do you think, guys? Comment down below. And the price of this is again $8.99. So guys, next I have these earrings. These are really pretty. I really love this color, and you can wear this individually, like I'm going to show you now. The back and this is the front. You can wear this individually, and you can wear this with other stud earring, so that's great. And you can also wear this together, or you can wear this behind from your ear. I'm going to show you now. So the price of these are $5.99. Guys, these are the earrings. Look so pretty, and you can wear this like this, or you can wear this like this. So what I done, I just put that hanging thing behind from my ear. You can wear it like this or like this. So guys, fourth and last thing I got is this necklace. This is the necklace. Such a pretty color. I really love the quality of this necklace. You can see from behind, this is really smooth, and this is the front. The colors are so nice, and the quality of this is again the nice, and this retails for $11.99. So now I'm going to show you how this looks on me. So guys, this is how it looks on me. Really pretty, not that heavy, lightweight, and I really love the color of this. I really love how this looking on me. So guys, that's all I got in my July bling bag. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, and if you want this kind of videos, then please comment down below. I will love to do that for you guys. And thanks for watching this video, and I shall see you later. Bye.